See this grass? See that right up there? That right up there? I just rubbed my foot through it. And look. See here? Might want to check for a lot of wildfires here. This is Faultline. It just falls right off. As if it was baked. See that? You had a patch of green right up there. Patch of green here. Patch of green there. Patch of green there. A patch of green there. Kamala Harris, get out of my voice. Now. See? You can actually see it. All that right there, that's Faultline. You're going to have a lot more wildfires up here. According to that. Tammy Sue Stuff will be my birth voice by identification card only. If you don't get Kamala Harris's voice up out of mine, we're going to fight.